Hello everyone, welcome to Somya's Diary. I am Somyaranjan Pati. Today we will discuss about the key initiatives of National Informatics Center in agriculture sector. So let me start with the soil health card. Soil health card provides a farmer with nutrient status of his land, gives recommendation on the dosage of fertilizer, biofertilizers, organic fertilizer. Soil health management is one of the important interventions under National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. This national mission started during 12th five-year plan with objectives to make agriculture more productive, sustainable and climate resilient, to conserve natural resources and to adopt comprehensive soil management practice and to optimize the water resource. This national mission falls under National Action Plan on Climate Change. There are total 8 national missions. They come under National Mission on Climate Change. They are National Solar Mission, National Mission on Enhanced Energy Efficiency, National Mission on Sustainable Habitat, National Water Mission, National Mission for Sustaining Himalayan Ecosystem, National Mission for Green India, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, and National Mission on Strategic Knowledge for Climate Change. We will discuss about this in a separate video. Then the next portal is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi portal. It provides end-to-end technology solution for transfer of funds directly into the account of farmers under direct benefit scheme. PM Kisan is a central sector scheme. Under this scheme, an income support of 6,000 rupees per year will be provided to small and marginal farmer families having combined land holding up to 2 hectares. The state administration will identify the farmer family and the institutional landholders and the affluent families, for example, those who are holding the government office, state government or central government, MLA, MPs, or those who have paid high tax in their last financial year, they are excluded from the list. Then the next system developed by NIC is Integrated Fertilizer Management System. This is also known as E-Urbak. The NIC provides technology solution to direct benefit transfer in fertilizer management. It covers the entire supply chain for capturing transitional data, starting from procurement of raw material to the supply in the district. The concerned stakeholders like Department of Fertilizer, State Agriculture Department, district collectors, fertilizer company, they are provided with separate credential for operating and monitoring this data, online data. Thus, it establishes transparency and avoid hoarding, black marketing. E-Urbak dashboard is also provided for real-time tracking and monitoring. So the next system is Submission on Agriculture Mechanization. Let me give you a broad outline of the mission. It increases the reach of farm mechanization to small and marginal farmers. It promotes custom hiring center and will create hubs for high-tech and high-value farm equipment. A digital platform is created by NIC for this mission. There is a mobile app called Farm Machinery Solution app. It helps the farmer in finding machinery for custom hiring. They can also book for such hiring. They can sell and purchase the second-hand machineries. Apart from that, it has a centralized farm machinery performance testing portal. The digital solution also includes direct benefit transfer in agriculture mechanization. The next digital solution is Kisan Rath. This is to facilitate farmers or traders to hire transporters for their agriculture produce. Kisan Rath app ensures smooth supply of linkages between farmers, warehouse, farmer producer organization Agriculture Produce Market Committee, that the mandis, and the interstate buyers, interstate or interested buyers. Then the next one is Kisan Subidha. It is a smart integrated mobile app for farmers to access all relevant services and information at one place. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the content. Thank you very much for your time. Meet you again tomorrow with another topic.